Hi Sam, how are you?
Good morning. It's a bright Saturday, the 28th of March 2026. The weather is pleasant and the air feels fresh. Want to start the day with a little music or a quick weather check?
Can you please put your volume to 50%?
Volume has been adjusted to 50%. Let me know if you'd like it louder or softer.
I think make it little louder to 100% now.
Done? Volume is now back to 100%.
Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So in the previous video, we built an AI voice assistant using ESP32, and that too without writing a single line of code. And honestly, that was just the beginning, because today we're taking things to the next level. In this video, we're going to use the ESP32-S3 DevKit. Now you might be wondering, why ESP32-S3? Well, it's more powerful. It offers better performance. And it's specially designed for AI and voice based applications. And the best part? The overall process is almost the same. Same components, same basic idea, just a more powerful board. One important thing though, if you're planning to build this using this board, make sure you watch the earlier video first. It will give you the complete foundation, and everything in this video will make much more sense. So here is the circuit diagram. Make sure to follow the connections exactly as shown on the display. Once you complete the wiring, your setup will look similar to this. Now for the next part, the remaining steps are exactly the same as shown in the previous video. Just one important thing to remember: whenever you see a board selection option, make sure to select ESP32S3 instead of normal ESP32, and that's it. So that's all from this video. In the next video, we will connect a 1.8-inch TFT display and a camera module. So stay tuned. See you in the next one.